Silver Spike here, now sand casting a genuine silver spike. Stand by. Still cooking away. This one may take a few minutes more. According to my calculations, this should take roughly 700 grams of silver, nearly 24 troy ounces. Looks like we're ready to pour. Wish me luck. Hopefully, I will not fail. Might be some zinc in there. Hope not, but we will see. Now pouring. Things got a little exciting there. I hope that did not affect the quality of the pour. I sure got an adrenaline rush going. I gotta let this cool off, break apart, and hopefully it will be a success. I believe it is cooled off enough to disassemble and see if it was a good cast. Let's see if prying it apart will allow me to reveal it without having to smash it up with a hammer. It worked thus far. Oh, it looks a little rough. We'll see here in a second. Let me break all this sand off. I say from the looks of it, that was a complete and total failure. Oh well, it was worth a try. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I will attempt this at a later date. Instead of casting it this way, I thought it might work better if I casted it this way. Thank you for watching Silver Spike Prospecting.